How to activate Verizon SIM card. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to activate your Verizon SIM card quickly and easily. Let's begin. First thing first, enter the SIM card. In order to do so, power off your phone and then place the Verizon SIM card into the SIM tray. Turn your phone back on. After that, you have to make sure your phone is connected to internet connection. And then you need to go to the official website of Verizon. Or you can simply download the application Verizon and then open the app. After that, you need to sign in or create an account and then log into your Verizon account. Once done, you need to enter the SIM and device informations. Once you have entered, follow the on-screen process and instructions. Once you have completed all of the instructions, restart your phone. You should now see the Verizon on the top of your screen. Try calling, texting, or using mobile data to make sure everything works. After that, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.